Bitcoin prices are blowing up like the Godfather. Okay, why are Bitcoin prices blowing up? As you can see, Bitcoin has just reached another 2016 high. This is Evander Smart, founder of Bitcoin Video University and host of the Bitcoin Video University YouTube channel. This is What is Bitcoin? Why is Bitcoin price exploding? As you can see, 740 US dollars. We're approaching 5,000 Chinese yuan. And this is June 16th. We're only 23 days away from the Bitcoin halving. The block reward halving is on July 10th, as you can see right here. So we're just about 3 weeks away, and Bitcoin price is taking off. Since June 10th, as you can see, Bitcoin price was down about $585, and since then it has blown up. So prices are up more than 150 US dollars. So this is huge. And why is it doing that? Well, as you've seen, we are less than a month away from the Bitcoin block halving, so we're going to have a lot of speculation. We're going to have a lot of people want to get in. A lot of speculators are going to want to buy in, buy low and go long with Bitcoin at least through the halving. So I predicted this in other articles. I've talked about this for months, that you're going to see a lot of volatility in the market. You're going to see a lot of people want to jump in, mainstream people. And also, don't forget that Bitcoin is really a Chinese currency right now. You go to China, and these are the Chinese exchanges that are buying and selling Bitcoin. OKCoin in the last 24 hours has sold over 1 billion US dollars worth of Bitcoin. Huobi has sold almost $500 million. So all the volume is in China. Most of the mining is going on in China. And again, most of the trading is going on in China. And they're trading at over $740. So price is going to continue to increase. And there's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. I'm not saying it's going to stay at 740, approaching $750, but it's probably not going back to 500. So in the next few weeks, you're going to see a lot of volatility in the market, but the savvy investors have decided to get in about 30 days before the halving and buy low at $500, $600, $650, and it's still a good buy. And I think at least before the end of this year, Bitcoin price will reach $1,000. I don't think it's going to double in the next 2 months. But with Bitcoin, anything is possible, but we are building up to a bubble. So again, there's going to be a lot of volatility in Bitcoin market up to the halving and after the halving. So I would be conservative. I would try and get in and buy some now, and then hold it at least probably through August. Make sure the protocol can handle all of this traffic, because there's going to be a lot of transactions going on. A lot of people buying in. A lot of miners are going to need to sell. So miners also, they sell in advance. So they don't necessarily sell on the day trading market. So a lot of miners have already sold their Bitcoin. But there's plenty of miners out there. So it's going to be a volatile market from now until probably the end of July at least. So hey, I mean, my mother, she sees all the spikes in the market. She sees all of the value that's going in, and when price goes up, it just means there's more people want to buy in than people want to come out. So my mother is no major investor. She's no Wall Street icon, but you know, she has some investment capital, and she's like, hey, I want to get in. So I'm going to be heading to New York to help my mom at least get started, get her Gemini account going. Because I do believe that Bitcoin prices will increase 6 months from now. It's going to be worth more than it is today. So it is a good investment. I wouldn't put all of my money in it, but if you have $100,000, I would definitely put 10% in a high yield, high risk investment like Bitcoin. And again, 6 out of the last 7 years, Bitcoin has taken off. Last year, Bitcoin was up over 35%. And just in the last week, Bitcoin is up about 20%. So, it is the time to buy. It is a buyer's market. So again, here is the halving, July 10th, about 3 weeks away. So savvy investors are going to buy in. They really should have been buying in back in May when prices were lower. We started the year at about $430, $437, I think it was. And now we're over $740. And this is just the last week. As you can see, under $600. Now we're approaching $740. And also Zero Hedge, they pretty much have dedicated a page to Bitcoin. So they're talking about all of the movement, especially in the Chinese and Japanese markets, towards Bitcoin. Gold is up. And what they're saying is people are bailing on the US dollar. So the US dollar has been strong through 2015, but now people are starting to move out of the dollar. And they report the US dollar continues to slide, as it appears a rush to other currencies is underway. And you can see all the movement into the yuan, into the Japanese yen, and then all the movement into Bitcoin and into gold. So there's a link in the description to this article, and I'll put a link to the halving timer right here. So just want to make this article about why Bitcoin price is taking off, and there's going to be volatility in the market. I mean, this can be a bubble, just like in 2013. I don't think it's going to crash down to the levels before, but who knows if it's going to be able to stay at 700. So this next month, this next 8 weeks is going to be very interesting, but it is a good time to buy. And the overall protocol seems to be able to handle the volume so far, but it is a buyer's market. It was a better market, obviously, 2 weeks ago. You're going to make more if you're speculating, but I'm in it for the long term. So, I'm all about working for Bitcoin, and whatever Bitcoin I can get, looking to invest at and maybe start mining myself. So this is Evander Smart. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll keep you posted. Take care.